To ensure we can keep producing great free content, please leave a comment below or leave a question that we can help you with. Then like and subscribe for all the latest updates. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Okay, let's get into photo mode, and one of the options, live photo. So what's the purpose of a live photo? Well, live photo was introduced into the ISO 9 as a feature of the iPhone 6S and later. So when you take a live photo, what actually happens is that the camera will take 1.5 seconds of video before and after the main shot. So basically you have a 3-second video. So what's the point of a live photo? Well, it brings a little bit of movement to what could be a dull photo and a little bit of humour if captured. It takes photography to another stage rather than a single image. For the creative ones amongst you, you can take your scenes to a different level. If you take a photo of a waterfall, then go into your album, don't edit but just swipe up. Here you will have some options: looping, bouncing or long exposure. With the looping, it just repeats the 3-second video over and over. With bouncing, it plays and then reverses the video. With long exposure, it blurs the waterfall and gives a lovely silky smooth movement. Please bear in mind, when you are shooting a live photo intentionally for something like a waterfall, etc., you need to shoot slightly wider, as when you apply the effect actually gets cropped just slightly. One of the other great features of live photo is that if you take a photo and you don't like the frame that it's been chosen, for instance, somebody's eyes are closed or somebody's walked across the scene, you have an option of still some more frames in the 3-second video. So to actually choose or edit the frame that is showing, simply go to Edit and press the live icon at the bottom of the frame. This shows all the stills in the 3-second video. Simply scroll across the base frame to the desired frame that you prefer. Don't press Done, but above press Make Key Photo. You can see the photo selected by the new white dot, and the grey dot shows the original selected photo. You can also mute the audio if you don't want to hear what was happening on the clip. This can be done by just clicking the icon audio button at the top left-hand corner. You can also trim the video by dragging the sliders in. Now, there are some disadvantages with live photo. Some people say that it drains the battery, but I've not noticed a difference myself. But the main thing is the file size. Because we're taking 3 seconds of video, we are increasing the file size. So if you have a 16GB phone and you want to preserve the space, you may want to turn the live photo off by clicking live photo icon off. To ensure we can keep producing great free content, please leave a comment below or leave a question that we can help you with. Then like and subscribe for all the latest updates. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video.